Secrets Playa Blanca has one of the better beaches in the Cancun area, a newer upscale feel, several pool areas, and a preferred club that just might be worth looking at. But that doesn't mean that it's the perfect resort for everyone, because when you're paying for an adults only luxury resort, the beach matters, the food matters, the vibe matters, and the little things can really make or break the trip. So today, we're going to break down Secrets Playa Blanca, the beach, the pools, the food, the rooms, preferred club, entertainment, and who this resort is really best for. So let's get started. Secrets Playa Blanca is located in Costa Mujeres area, which is north of Cancun. So you're not right in the Cancun Hotel Zone area. Now you're still going to fly into the Cancun airport, and depending on traffic, you're probably looking at about a 30 to 45 minute drive from the Cancun airport. Now once you get to the resort, you can tell pretty quickly this is a newer, more upscale property. Everything feels clean, fresh, and really put together, but it still feels comfortable. You get that open air space, the wood tones, water features, and plenty of greenery throughout the resort. Areas that give you a little bit of that jungle feel, which I found really neat. And that's really what I liked about the vibe here. It feels adult only, romantic, and upscale, but it's still laid back enough that you can actually have fun and relax. This is not a non-stop party resort by any means, so if you're looking for a spring break energy, this probably is not the one. But it's not boring either. You can still have a quiet beach day, spend a little time at the pool, find a more secluded spot to relax, enjoy a nice dinner, catch some live music, or just go grab a drink later in the evening. Now let's look at the beach. The beach is one of the biggest reasons people look at Secrets Playa Blanca. And honestly, I get it. This is a really pretty beach area. You get the soft white sand, that clear Caribbean water, and the kind of beach view that people are really hoping for when they book a resort in Mexico. It's also a really nice walkable beach, so if you like getting up in the morning and walking along the water, this is a really good spot for that. They have plenty of loungers, there's beach service, and even the Preferred Club has its own beach area too. You can also rent Bali beds and cabanas for an additional cost, of course, if you want to make the beach day feel a little bit more special. Now, just keep this in mind. Like any beach in Mexico, conditions can change depending on the weather, wind, storms, different currents, and the time of year that you go. During sargassum season, seaweed can still be an issue here. Now, the staff does work really hard to keep this beach cleaned up, and this area here can sometimes do better than spots further south because Isla Mujeres sits offshore, so it helps block a little bit, but no beach is perfect every day. Mother Nature really doesn't care about your day, how much you paid, or what you had planned. It's just going to do what it does. Now let's talk about the pool areas. Secrets Playa Blanca has several pool areas, but there are really about 4 of them that guests seem to talk about the most. You have the activity pool, the infinity pool, the jungle pool, and the preferred club pool area. Now the activity pool is more of the lively one. That's where you'll usually find the music, games, pool volleyball, water activities, and the entertainment team getting people involved. And for some reason, vacation makes that stuff normal. I mean, at home, if a stranger started yelling at me to join some game, I'd probably pretend that I didn't hear him. But at a resort, suddenly yelling at people that you just met 10 minutes ago is perfectly fine. I'm sure alcohol has a lot to do with that. Then you have the infinity pool, which is closer to the beach and gives you more of that oceanfront pool feel. This is one of the more popular areas, so if you're picky about shade or want certain spots, you may want to consider getting there just a little bit early. They also have swim bars in some of the pool areas, so if that's important to you, pay attention to which pool has the vibe that you want for that day. Now the jungle pool, this one I really liked. It's quieter, it's more tucked away, it has a lot more greenery around it, so it has that really secluded jungle feel. And it's a great spot if you just want to get away from the busier pool areas. Now the Preferred Club guests also have their own pool area, which is quieter, more exclusive, and has upgraded loungers that gives you that more of a resort within a resort feel. Now, speaking of Preferred Club, we get this question a lot. Is it worth it? Do you really need it? Are you going to feel like you missed out if you don't book it? Well, here's how I look at it. Now, Preferred Club does give you some really nice extras. You get a more private check-in, access to Preferred Club Lounge, the beach bar, upgraded room locations, upgraded mini bar services in your room, better bath amenities, you get a butler service, and you get access to some exclusive preferred club areas like a beach restaurant, which gives you another level for breakfast and lunch options that's away from the main resort crowd. So there are some real perks here, but you don't have to book the preferred club to enjoy Secrets Playa Blanca. The main resort still gives you the beach, you have pools, restaurants, bars, the service, entertainment, and the overall Secrets experience. So I wouldn't say that preferred club is required, but it can be worth it, especially if this is like a special occasion like a honeymoon, anniversary, birthday trip, maybe a destination wedding, or you just want the trip to feel a little more special. Let's take a look at the rooms. Now, I'm not going to go through every room category because that can get confusing pretty fast, but I do want to show you one of the rooms so you can get a better feel for what you're actually booking. Now, this is a junior suite ocean view room, and overall, it has that newer, modern, upscale feel that fits the rest of the resort. You get a nice open layout, a sitting area, a stocked minibar, room service, and a balcony or terrace where you can step outside and enjoy the view. Now, the bathroom is also a big part of the room. You have a large shower, nice vanity space, and that soaking tub that gives the room just a little bit more of a luxury feel. Okay, let's talk about the food, because food is always one of the biggest things that people want to know about before booking an all-inclusive resort. Now, at Secrets Playa Blanca, you have 9 dining options, so there's a good amount of variety throughout the resort. You have Italian, French, Asian, Mexican, seafood, steakhouse options, the Market Cafe, which is the buffet area, Barefoot Grill for quick poolside, and Coco Cafe for coffee, snacks, pastry, sandwiches, and late night bites, because guess what? It stays open 24 hours. Now, overall, the food here seems to get pretty good feedback. Like most all-inclusive resorts, I would not expect every single dish to be perfect. Some meals are going to be really good, probably great. Some may just be okay, and a lot of it really comes down to what you order and what your personality is like. Because, taste is subjective. But the good thing is, you have options. You're not stuck eating the same thing every single night, and you have enough variety that most people should be able to find something that they enjoy. Now, most restaurants do not require reservations, but some specialty experiences like the teppanyaki will need a reservation. Also, pay attention to the dress code. Now, some restaurants may require long pants for men, like the French restaurant, so I would pack at least one pair just to be safe. Now, what about the bars? Now, the bar setup here at Secrets Playa Blanca gives you plenty of options, but it still fits that overall vibe of the resort. It's not trying to be a non-stop party scene, but you're also not stuck wondering where to go after dinner. You have pool bars, beach bars, the Preferred Club beach bar for Preferred Club guests, Rendezvous bar, Sugar Reef bar, Desire Music Lounge, which is open later in the evening. Now, Rendezvous is probably going to be one of those spots that's easy to stop to grab a drink right before or after dinner. Grab a drink, sit around the fire pits, listen to music, and just enjoy the evening. Now, Sugar Reef is a little more casual, and Desire is where you can go later at night if you want more of that lounge feel with cocktails, music, and maybe some dancing, depending on the schedule. Now, for entertainment and activities, Secrets Playa Blanca has a good mix. Now, during the day, you can find things like cocktail classes, tequila tasting, cooking classes, beach and pool volleyball, art classes. They have Mexican handcraft activities, or water activities, fitness options if you're into that during vacation, and the usual entertainment around the pool. So there is plenty to do if you want to be involved, but it's not one of those resorts where everything feels loud and nonstop. It's more polished than rowdy. Now, at night, you'll usually find live music, shows, bars, lounges, and different entertainment depending on the schedule. You can still have a nice dinner, grab a drink, listen to some music, catch a show, and if you're back in the room by 10:30, I'm not judging. This is also where using a local travel advisor can make a big difference. With a resort like Secrets Playa Blanca, it's not always just about finding the cheapest price, it's about figuring out which room category makes the most sense, whether a preferred club is worth the extra cost, and whether this resort actually fits the kind of trip that you're looking for. So if you have a local travel advisor you trust, reach out to them and let them help you sort through all the options. And if you don't have one, you can always reach out to us at Blue Sky Adventures. Now, one more thing. If you're looking for excursions, check the links in the description. We have links to trusted tour companies that we use all the time all over the world, so it makes it a lot easier to find options without having to sort through everything on your own. Whether you want to visit Isla Mujeres, go snorkeling, take a boat tour, or just spend some time off the property, these links are a good place to start. So who do we think that Secrets Playa Blanca is really the best for? I think this is a great fit for couples who want something adults only, newer, romantic, relaxing, and still enough to feel like a special trip. I think it works really well for honeymooners, anniversaries, destination weddings, couples trips, girlfriend getaways, or adult groups who want a nicer resort without turning the entire vacation into a party scene. Now, beach lovers are probably going to like this one too. The beach is one of the biggest reasons to look at this resort too. If you want soft sand, beautiful water, and a more relaxed Costa Mujeres setting, this one should definitely be on your list. Now, who is this resort not for? If you want a major party resort, this is probably not a good fit for you. If you want to be right in the Cancun Hotel Zone, maybe closer to the busier tourist area, this may feel a little too removed for you. And if you plan on spending some of your trip going south towards Tulum or some of the bigger parks, just know that it can turn into a long travel day if you're coming from this area. Also, this is a Secrets resort, so it's adults only. If you're traveling with kids under 18, you'll need to look at a family-friendly resort instead. I'd recommend a Dreams property. So what is my honest take here? Well, Secrets Playa Blanca checks a lot of the boxes. You get a beautiful beach, a newer upscale feel, several pool areas, good dining variety, and service that gets a lot of praise. Now, a preferred club is a nice upgrade if you want something a little more exclusive, but I don't think that you need to book that to enjoy the resort. But if you want an adults-only Mexico resort with a great beach, calm luxury vibe, enough going on without feeling over the top, Secrets Playa Blanca should definitely be on your list. If this video helped you, like it, subscribe to Take Two Travel, and drop a comment below. Would you book Secrets Playa Blanca, and would you pay extra for the preferred club? As always, keep wondering, exploring, and discovering.